How to find blocked users on Discord. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your blocked users on Discord. In order to find that, first of all open your Discord application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here now, you will need to tap on the U icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. By doing so, you will be taken to your profile page. Now in this page at the top right corner, you will be able to see the settings icon. Simply tap on it and then now in the settings page, you will need to find content and social option. Once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it, and once you open it, now here you will need to scroll down until you find blocked accounts option. You will be able to see this option under accounts you have blocked or ignored section. Once you find it, simply tap on it and then here you will be able to see the list of users that you have blocked previously from your Discord account. From here, if you'd like to unblock someone, simply tap on the unblock option at the right side and then confirm it by tapping on unblock once again. After that, you'll be able to unblock that person. So, by following these steps, you should be able to find blocked users on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.